In this video of 1 2 Step, I'm going to show you how to log into your Netspend All Access account. Netspend is a company that provides prepaid cards such as Master or Visa cards. To log into your account of Netspend, all you need to do is open up the website. So search for netspend.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for this, you can see this interface and just click on login on the top right. Once you click on login, it's going to take you to the login section. Now from here, all you need to do is type in your username and the password that you created while signing up. If you don't remember either your username or your password, you can click on the link which says forgot username if you have forgotten the username, and forgot password if you have forgotten the password. To recover your username, you can type in the email address that is associated with Netspend, and to recover your password, you can type in both your username and the email address and then follow the steps to recover it. If you do remember it, type it in, and then you can just click on login, and if the details that you entered are correct, you would be successfully logged in to your Netspend account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.